is Gina. For many of you, your New Year resolution may be to start a craft business. Your friends have been telling you for years that they would buy whatever items that you would be making, and everybody else would be interested in buying whatever items you're making. So 2019 is the year that you're going to turn your craft into a craft business. So in this video, I'll be talking about the business side of a craft business, and more specifically, the finances side of things. It's not the funnest topic in the world, but it is definitely a very, very important one because one, for many of you, it'll be a source of income for you and your family. So you need to know exactly how much are you bringing in for your family. And number two, you want to know what's driving your business performance. If you're not doing as well as you think you are, what are you spending too much money, or are you not selling enough? And number three, you need to keep all of this in track because at the end of the year, you'll need to file taxes, which is another fun subject, but to file taxes, you'll need to know how well you did financially. So what do I know about this topic? I'm a licensed CPA and I have an undergrad and a master's in this area. And so far in my career, that's the area that I've been focused on. I'm also a crafter myself. I knit, so I know the nuances that go into a craft business that meshes well with my finance background. Okay, so diving in, what do you need to do to track how well you're doing financially? You need to follow a three-step process. The first step, you're going to track your sales and your costs. So your sales are how much people are paying you to buy products from you. So if you sell a handmade mug for $40, that $40 you've collected is your sales. Your total sales is going to be a sum of all of the payments that you collect. So cash payments, email transfers, PayPal transfers, credit card payments, debit card payments, any gift cards you get, all of that added together will be your sales for your business. Now onto your costs. This will be anything you spent to keep your craft business running. So for a craft business, your major sales categories are going to be your materials for your item, your labor to produce your item, any tools or equipment you need, any postage that you use to deliver your item, any transportation costs because you went to meet suppliers, meet clients, and any marketing costs that you put together, cost of your website, as well as the last category is the internet or cell phone bills that spike because you're now running your craft business from your home. So you're going to track your sales and your costs. That's step one. Step two is going to be that you calculate what accountants call your profit. And what that is you'll take your total costs and you'll subtract them from your total sales. And that number is going to be the profit for your business. So you're tracking these things, you're tracking sales, you're tracking costs, you're calculating profit for your business. Step three is going to be how you track these things. So best practice is that you track your sales items and your cost items as frequently as you can. If you can track it on a daily basis, that's fantastic. And your profit calculation, you want to do it on a monthly basis. The monthly time frame gives you a long enough time frame so that you're building volume to give a true picture of how your business is doing, but it's also a short enough time frame that if you're not performing as well as you think you are, you would catch it pretty quickly. So the three steps again are: one, you track your sales, track your cost. Step two, calculate your profit. Step three, track your sales and cost on as frequently as you can, and your profit on the monthly. Now, I've just talked about all of these tracking things, and if you're not used to this, if you're not used to tracking things, this is going to be very, very overwhelming. So what I did was I put together an Excel to help you with all of this. The link to the Excel that you can download is in the description box, but I'll just quickly show it to you right now. So what it looks like is that it's got all these tabs down at the bottom for each month of a year, and within each month you can track your sales details up here, your cost details, And then there's a summary tab that summarizes your sales cost for every single month of the year, and then it'll give you your profit calculation. So what it's really designed to do is that it's designed to help you track how you're doing financially throughout the year. Now, if you have any questions on this topic, or if anything was unclear, leave it in the comment box below or message me on Instagram and I'll be happy to address it. Thanks. See you next time.